So this is our master bathroom, the tiniest master bathroom you will ever find. And though I added a shelf to it to try to give us at least a little bit of counter space, it just wasn't enough. So then I created this niche. And while it was nice, it wasn't enough either. It was time for it to go. That shower pan, I have got to figure out how the plumbing is connected because I cannot figure out if I should spin the drain, or some of the videos I was watching said you had to go from underneath, which means going under my house, which is nope. That's my kryptonite. I will not go under the house. So that may be the one thing that I have to hire out for this bathroom, because I don't do going underneath the house. And then I put this temporary piece of drywall up because that leads, and that moisture is from when I connect the lines, so it'll dry. That leads down underneath the house. And I didn't want any snakes or whatever creeping up. So I just had an extra piece of drywall that I threw up for the time being. I am eventually gonna, close all this in, but I do need to get that out first before I do that. So at least for right now, that will keep that nice and neat. But that really opens up this bathroom. Y'all just don't understand how tiny this bathroom is. These tiles are a little smaller than 12 inches, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. So as far as actual moving space, you had 5.5 feet maybe, and width it is 51 inches. So I'm not sure when they added this shower what was the purpose of leaving that cavity in the wall, because that really ate into the space. So yeah, this is it. So this is what I'm going to use on all the seams on the board. Through here I had some remnant pieces that I thought, why buy another board? I'm just going to piece it together. So I need to put that on all the seams here. And in addition to that, a mortar mix to cover those over once the tape. It's just like similar to doing drywall, that I will put the mortar mix over this tape to seal up those seams. I am going to use a membrane over this. I haven't decided if I'm going to use Red Guard or there's a brand that Lowe's carries. But first things first, let me get some tape on. I have some leftover mortar from when I did my floor tiles last year. I'm going to go ahead and put that over the seams that I've taped off, so that way I can at least complete that portion of the project. Okay, I have it at a thick frosting consistency. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my joints. I now have my backer board up and it's coming along. It's looking good.